Hello everybody, my name is Amy Hull. Here at TETRA, I get a question every single day. Why do I need to take a hearing test? That hearing test attributes to the success of us being able to get these devices in your ears and you be able to enjoy sound quality in your ears with whatever you are doing. Let me explain why all of our success starts with that hearing test. TETRA Hearing is not just a hearing protection company. It is a company of hearing technology built by hearing doctors. The purpose of TETRA is to create a highly personalized experience based on your hearing needs. You can take this test two different ways. You can take our online test, which is a scientifically calibrated test at the ease of your convenience. You can also submit a hearing test from your local audiologist. We will receive that and program these devices accordingly. We would love to help you experience these moments in life while protecting your hearing. That all starts with the hearing test.